This is where I'm getting my lashes done. There's also a bikini shop and a little coffee shop right there. Beautiful. They have other services as well. I might be getting a fill. So I'm gonna get a fill because these ones are starting to go down, as you can see. I'm on the way to get my nails done right now, and then I found this place and they said they can do it. See how some of them are falling down? And then just this one goes to the side. If I push it over and get it to stay, it looks fine, but it's just starting to fall over. So she said she'll take them out and then fix it and then fill in all the gaps. So yeah, we were gonna get a fill, and that was for 350K, she said, which is in Bali money. To US, it's like 17 something, round up to like $18. I'll message you in context. Have an amazing day. We should take pictures. We'll make so cute content together.
I'll be here. It's gonna take me a bit of a long.
Oh, okay. Right there, thank you. Right here? Here. I'm about to get my lashes done. A fill. Restroom. Cute. And then right here. Beautiful. Amazing. Guys, I'm about to get my lashes filled. I'm excited. This is the cute little vibe. It's literally pink, and I literally picked a pink fitness outfit today. We're about to be under this light. LED. Ooh, it's like a sun up there. This is what the lashes look like around 3 weeks. Down and then up. You guys can see I have one of them right here that's like falling. So she's gonna take them out and fix them and then add some. Also, this one goes sideways a lot. So it seems like I need to fill like right there and then fix those ones from going sideways. But yeah, this is the before. You guys can see up close. This is my first fill from my first time getting lash extensions a little bit ago. She will be helping me fix this and make it look better. Super excited. I might record a little bit if I can during. Sorry. Amazing, you're incredible.
Yeah?
Thank you. Wow, thank you. I love it, guys. What do you guys think? Beautiful. Wow. Oh, guys. So beautiful. So amazing. And this is the after. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed. So grateful. Bali is incredible. I found a place that knows what they're doing for a great price, and they were all so nice. The lobby is insane. This room is insane. Just look, literally look. It's like a sun. I'm literally like in like this sun, and it's glowing. And then there's like a curtain around. Like, wow. Yeah, it feels so incredible, guys. 110% would recommend them. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Insane, guys. Insane. You have to come here. You have to. Amazing. I'm shook. 10 out of 10. Obsessed. I will list the place so you guys can have it. Bali, Canggu Bali. Amazing.